Good morning, guys. Welcome to the stream. You able to hear my voice? Is my voice audible? Hello, good morning. Around 16,154. Banks are strong somehow. So that's one good factor. Um, let's see this. Right. Hey, Darshan, good morning. Good morning. Thanks for joining. Welcome. 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 So, Bank Nifty has a strong support at 34,500. Oh yeah, 34,500. And then Nifty seems to be weak today somehow. So probably we'll eye on that today. Um, but we shall still wait. We shall still wait. Okay. So what we shall do is if it breaks on the downside here, we'll go with the target of this. And on the upside, we'll take another target on the upside here. Okay. So wait for these zones. Okay. In Nifty, it has to break it 147 to break karna hai on the downside. So this is clearly wait and watch time. Okay. So we shall wait. Hi Ranjan, good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome to the stream, guys. 34,500 के आसपास. 3 minute time frame में. Let's see if something comes up for us. On the upside, if it breaks, gives us a breakout, we'll take an entry. Or on the downside, let it break here. Okay. Nifty looks really bearish. Nifty looks bearish. Oh yeah. Nifty looks really bearish. And moreover, the India VIX has come down by 2%, so you don't expect too much of volatility. Mm, Okay, no problem, no problem. Nifty is under pressure. Buy mat karna, guys. Don't buy it now. Don't buy. I'll tell you when to buy. We'll see where we can take an entry and then properly book some profits. Okay. Immediately mat lenge hum. सूरज यादव क्या हुआ? 34,500 कॉल क्या हुआ भाई? No. Bank Nifty is completely bearish, man. Completely bearish. So it is actually pulling the entire Nifty down. Sorry, Bank Nifty down. So हम क्या करेंगे एक बार? We shall look at few banking sectors. Okay. We shall see. How is it? Kotak Bank. That's strong. HDFC Bank should be normally bearish. Oh yeah, it's bearish. Axis Bank flat, and let's look at ICICI Bank. Yes, yep, it's flat bearish. So basically, Kotak Bank is still strong today. If someone wants to buy Kotak Bank, they can still buy on the June options basically. And in ICICI Bank, if it breaks today's high, we might even get 726 today. So that's going to be a breakout trade. Okay. 34,500 CE loss हुआ नहीं. Why Suraj? You should have been in profit, right? It was a gap up opening, and why did you lose? No, you should have been in profit. I don't know why you lost. क्यों लॉस हुआ पता नहीं मुझे. Probably you're late. Probably you're late in booking. Exactly from that. Look at this. Look at the support zones that I have drawn. Rejection from here. Rejection from here. Rejection from here. Look at this. So let's look at this on the downside. Okay. Get ready with put options, guys. Get ready with put options, I would say. Get ready with put options. Okay. Nifty strong resistance at 16,200. Bank Nifty is resisting at 34,600. Yeah. Okay. So wait for one price action. We'll take put or call. Let me see. Okay. Mostly on the put side. Okay. So wait for these breakouts. Okay. Breakdown or breakouts. We'll take an entry. हम entry लेंगे भाई. Just wait for the retest. Wait for the retest. Such a huge from here 34,39 almost 400 say 34,670. That's a huge move, man. That's a very huge move in the morning itself. So there is no point in worrying about losing calls here. Exit for call. Today call yeah puts are see currently it is sideways. We'll have to see at the breakout or breakdown पे लेंगे हम सूरज. Then we'll see. अभी नहीं है. Call exit पता नहीं. At what price you took it or what time लिया or you should tell me those information. Okay. So let's see somewhere here. Okay. And on the downside, let's look at the bottom of it. Okay. Okay. Mm. So Suraj, if you are in profit or if you are, cost to cost, try trailing it. Do not take risk, please. Risk मत लेना भी. So ये निकालेंगे हम. चलो, okay, get ready. 34,500 call add कर लो. 34,500 और 34,400 sorry. 34,400 call add कर लो. So 400 call. How is it? It's around 370. Okay, 377, 378 चल रहा. Okay. So where would you take it? You can take it above 390. Okay. Above 390 ले लो. Okay. So keep a target of 420 with a stop loss of 350. Okay. Target 420, SL 350 होगा. Okay. चलो ये वाला above 390 only. Okay. Not before that. Not before that. Keep that ready. Mostly if it is a retest आपको अच्छा मिलेगा. See, look at this. If it is a retest, इधर से हम एंट्री ले सकते. Okay, so price action तो बनने दो इसको, and but if it is breaking on the downside then मुश्किल ही होगा कॉल साइड बनने के लिए इसमें. सीधा गिरावट तो दिया. चलो ये भी देखता हूँ. ये वाला चेक कर लेंगे. Okay. No, not yet activated, guys. Don't buy until activation. We are not buying it. Okay. बैंक निफ्टी भी देखता हूँ. Give me like some time. Where are they? Okay. Hi, Dreamers. Hi, good morning. Hi. Welcome, guys. चेक कर लो क्या होगा अभी. देख लो भाई. Look at this. Do you see something here? Exactly forming that. Okay. So अभी ये निकालेंगे. That's a good reverse. That's a good reversal. Good reversal, I would say. So, okay. Even in Nifty, हम कहाँ लेंगे? Let's see where can we take it. अरे ये EMIs निकाल देता हूँ भाई. पता नहीं क्यों लगा मैं. चलो. आपका लाइव वीडियो नहीं मिल रहा था. नहीं डेली नहीं आ रहा हूँ मैं. इसीलिए. ओके. सो कहाँ है? So somewhere we shall इधर भी ले सकते बट अभी नहीं है. 34,147. ओके. इधर लेंगे बट we'll have to wait for the retest, guys. Immediately मत लेंगे. We will not take it immediately. We'll wait for the retest and टारगेट तो यही होगा. निफ्टी में बैंक निफ्टी I already said above 390. ओके. बैंक निफ्टी को कब लेना है सर? मैं तो बता दिया सर. सूरज सर मैं तो बता दिया आपको. वेट फॉर दिस. ओके. अरे क्या हुआ भाई? मैं तो लिख के दिया. मैं क्यों पूछ रहे बार बार? Look at this. I have written it on the screen, right? See, whatever is convenient. Nifty में whatever is convenient. आपको you know क्या convenient लगता है वो ले लो. से निफ्टी में सी नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेडनेसडे थर्सडे. आपको थोड़ा प्रीमियम डीके तो मिलेगा भाई. सो बी केयरफुल. आई वुड से डीप इन द मनी ट्राई कर लो. प्रॉब्ली इफ यू आर ट्राइंग ऑन द कॉल साइड हियर 16,050 कॉल ट्राई कर सकते इधर. और बैंक निफ्टी तो वैसे तो दिया मैं 34,400 बोल के. सो बट ओनली आफ्टर द ब्रेकआउट्स, नॉट बिफोर दैट. ओके लेट इट रीटेस्ट. इफ इट इज फॉलोइंग विल वेट फॉर द रीटेस्ट तब लेंगे. ठीक है. वेट फॉर द रीटेस्ट. Bank Nifty is looking bullish, but not Nifty. Nifty is looking bearish, guys. मुझे तो इसमें बैंक निफ्टी में वॉल्यूम ईच नहीं दिख रहा मुझे अच्छा खासा. देखता हूँ. मत लेंगे. डोंट टेक इट गाइस. वेट फॉर इट. अभी मत लेना है. अभी तो थोड़ा रेंज पे चल रहा अभी तो देखेंगे हम. लेट देयर बी वन प्राइस एक्शन एटलीस्ट. हम तब सोचेंगे लेने का. तब तक आई डोंट सी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू टेक एन एंट्री. मैं तो खाली रीटेस्ट के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई इसमें. पता नहीं कब. हाँ. रीटेस्ट देगा बोल के. ओके. Wait for the level and then take an entry, guys. Here, you shall not take it otherwise. No entry otherwise. It's only trying to be sideways now. When it is sideways, आपका premium decay each मिलता. So लेने का फायदा each नहीं. Currently, 34,600 is acting as a resistance. 600 and 500 भी resistance चलेगा. Once it falls down below to 34,500 के नीचे 34,500 resistance चलेगा. And as long as it is above that, we are fine. Okay. Let's see. वेट करना पड़ता है भाई. नो. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट गेटिंग एक्टिवेटेड. हम छोड़ देंगे अभी. विल नॉट टेक एन एंट्री. Neither on the put side nor on the call side. completely sideways. साइडवेज मार्केट में प्रीमियम नहीं मिलेगा आपको. एंड मोर ओवर विक्स इज डाउन बाय 1.5 1.6%. सो थोड़ा देखेंगे भाई. ICICI बैंक इज लुकिंग बुलिश. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा गिरा, बट देखेंगे. निफ्टी इज सुपर बेरिश, सुपर बेरिश. निफ्टी तो बेरिश दिख रहा है. ओके, निफ्टी में पुट ऐड कर लो भाई. 16,200 पुट ऐड कर लो. 16,200 पुट. 16,200 पुट. स्टॉप लॉस भी ज्यादा रहेगा शायद, बट स्टॉप लॉस तो 35 पॉइंट्स का दिख रहा एंड टारगेट 33 पॉइंट्स का भाई. थोड़ा रिस्की का है, थोड़ा रिस्की दिख रहा है भाई. स्टॉप लॉस इज ह्यूज एंड टारगेट इज वेरी लेस. इसका नीचे एग्जैक्टली रेस्पेक्टिंग दैट सपोर्ट जोन. लुक एट दिस. इसीलिए हम वेट करेंगे, वेट करेंगे भाई. We'll go with this trend line on the downside. Okay. No, not activated. Remove it. Okay, एक काम करेंगे भाई. So since it is actually taking a support and resistance between this particular zone, if you see a reverse candle here, take a put option, go with this target of 24 points from this resistance zone. Okay, look for one reverse zone, take an entry, go for this target. Okay, only if you see some reversal, otherwise don't do that. Don't take if there is no reversal. 596. Okay. Okay, good morning, SP. Take an Indus Tower 200 PE June expiry. Indus Tower लिया क्या आप? एक minute. I'll tell you. Indus Tower. I'm actually checking the volume. अभी तो see it is different. Put side थोड़ा different each दिख रहा भाई. Indus Tower on the put side. No. अभी तो नहीं. I would say you should have waited. You should have waited for this breakout to happen. I know you might be looking for this trend line. You might have been looking for this trend line, right? Might have been looking at this trend line, but you should have waited for this. This was also support zone, right? Because exactly it is trying to fill the gap here. No, it has filled the gap. Now you should have waited for this to breach. I would say be careful. I would say be careful. Please maintain some strict stop loss. Maintain some strict stop loss. And moreover, जून का लिया ना आप. जून का वॉल्यूम कैसे दिख रहा है मुझे? एक मिनट. जून का वॉल्यूम बुलिश दिख रहा 200 के ऊपर. अबाउट 200 मुझे ये इंडस टावर का वॉल्यूम बुलिश दिख रहा मुझे. आई सी अ बुलिश वॉल्यूम अबाउट 200 इन जून एक्सपायरी. Okay. So maintain a strict stop loss. If you have taken puts, maintain strict stop loss. Okay. Wow. That's a good one. Okay. What is bullish volume? Please extend. Bullish volume, buyers. There are more buyers than sellers. That's a bullish volume. When you compare sellers and buyers, buyers are more. And when you look at that strike price, volume, etc., that looks promising. Okay. खतरनाक सेटअप बन रहा है भाई. खतरनाक सेटअप. Okay, I would look at this. Apollo Hospitals, what happened? क्या हुआ? What happened? कुछ नहीं हुआ. Apollo Hospitals 36,000 put. Apollo Hospitals on the put side. Why are you always looking at where is today? This is certainly looking bullish, but there is a support here. SP. There is a support around this zone. So what you can do is, okay, ये तो नीचे आ जाएगा, I'm sure. ये तो नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, but you try booking, some quantity or full quantity here. If it gives you a breakdown, take a re-entry at the retest. Okay, if it takes a retest, avoid. Okay, नीचे तो आ जाएगा. सो कम से कम समवेयर हियर 3580 तक आना चाहिए मोस्टली. ओके, अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स. But that is looking bearish, nice. I mean, but if it takes a retest this time, no one can stop this, man. But if it takes a retest from here, I'm telling you, I think within 2 months or so, ये तो 4900 भी hit हो जाएगा. If it takes a retest, good retest, gives you a breakout, ऊपर ही जाएगा, इधर तक जाएगा. So please maintain that target. इधर तक आना चाहिए, आ जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से, because it can be a retest as well sometimes, but you have to be little more careful. Go back to 1 day 5-minute time frame and it should see. Look at this. So if it is taking a retest, you can still hold it, but if it is breaking on the upper side, छोड़ दो, please exit your trade. Okay. Sideways. See, both put writers and call writers are equally running, almost equal. Almost equal. Okay, except one Nifty. Nifty to bearish दिख रहा. So I am not bullish in Nifty completely until there is a good volume that comes in. Until then, I am not bullish in Nifty, but Bank Nifty, there are both call writers and put writers equally sharing the load. So ये तो sideways चलेगा शायद आज पूरा. We can only scalp, I guess. Some 20-30 points of profit के लिए play कर सकते हैं. Okay. And stocks देखेंगे हम. Okay, let's look at few stocks, man. Stocks data. Short covering नहीं है. Okay. So HDFC Life, banking sector is looking bullish today. For me, banking sector is bullish. So who are all ready for some banking calls? Basically, I would try, थोड़ा risky होगा, but I would say Kotak Bank looks to be good to me. Kotak Bank is one thing that I would look at. Okay. Kotak Bank. So my take would be about today's high, go with 1:1 target and with a small stop loss around this zone, somewhere around 190. 2 points of stop loss, or not 2 points, sorry. 9 points of 8 points of stop loss, 15 points of target in Kotak Bank. Okay, and second one is ICICI Bank. I think I would bet on all major banks today. Major banks. Let's see somewhere here. Okay, right. So take an entry above this. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some good target above this. इधर तक मिलेगा with some shorter stop loss, 2.55 or 3 points. Okay, 3 points of stop loss, 6 points of target in ICICI Bank. Okay, next one is what shall we look at? IndusInd Bank. ओके, इंडसइंड बैंक थोड़ा वेट करेंगे भाई, इंडसइंड बैंक वी शैल वेट. Okay, so let's wait on that. Dr. Reddy for short term 1 week double bottom. Let's see, भैया टाटा स्टील ले सकते क्या? नो, डोंट टेक टाटा स्टील. फंस जाओगे आप, मत लेना प्लीज. टाटा स्टील कहाँ लेते भाई अभी? Let's wait. $600 के ऊपर, let it break 600. I think you will see some more profits. Okay, let it break. Still, Dr. Reddy's, I will check. Give me like few moments. I will check. $619. Okay, और थोड़ा इसमें I would say, I mean, I am kind of still worried about taking Nifty because there is a lot of pressure in Nifty, so I am not really interested in taking any trade in Nifty basically. मुझे तो थोड़ा मुश्किल ही दिख रहा इसमें. So I am not really bullish in Nifty for now. So we shall mostly trade in Bank Nifty today. Okay, we shall trade in Bank Nifty today. As long as there is good open interest and good volume that is coming, and then we'll try in Nifty. Otherwise, until then, we'll try only Nifty. Sorry, Bank Nifty. Okay. So, not for short on W, but sir, please also check Apollo Hospitals time frame connecting 31 March. See, okay, Apollo Hospitals. I told you, right? I gave you the Apollo Hospital. Okay, Dr. Reddy's बताता हूँ, एक minute. I'll tell you. Wait. Double bottom, yes. But you would have to see why I normally don't look at 1 week, because you these things that you can take it only for a swing trade. You cannot be taking for 1-2 days के लिए आप नहीं ले सकते, because 1-2 days में गिरावट भी आ सकता है, so it is going to be risky. So if you are a swing trader, if you can hold it for little longer duration, you can actually look at any pattern in 1 week time frame. Okay, that should be good. And remember, it is not always a pattern that can give you profits. Okay, sometimes it does. But look at this. It was a M pattern, right? Exact M pattern. It's a perfect M pattern, but it did not give you a downfall here, right? So do not look at 1 week patterns every time if you are not a immediate trader. For example, if you have looked at 1 week or a 1 day time frame में दिखे तो आपको मिलेगा. Look at this. If you actually look at this 1 day time frame, you might have entered here and then booked your profit somewhere here, done. But if it is a 1 week, आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा इधर. Correct? So that is where you need to. Yes, it is a W pattern. Wait for the breakout if you want to take it. Okay. So Apollo Hospitals again. Apollo Hospitals 1 week बता रहे हैं ना आप. 1 week में क्या देख रहे हैं आप? Connecting 30th March, 14th September. क्यों इतना बड़ा देख रहे हैं आप भाई? These ones. No, I don't think. No. That's not a pattern that I'm looking out for. No. I don't think. No. Sorry. This is not, because the price has already factored into the market. So इसमें फायदा नहीं होगा. So it is not, this particular one is already factored in. ये तो गिरावट दिया. So हो सकता है कि it can even further fall down or go up. But we shall not guess it, right? So for us to take a trade here, look at 1 day time frame probably. How is it actually doing it there? Okay. So now what do you actually look at? It's a slanting double top, but it was not a perfect one. It's like a lower lows. So when will you have a confirmation? Once this is properly broken, then you will have a confirmation. But if you actually look at it in 15-minute time frame, हो सकता है कि it can be retest, right? Okay. Look at this. It can be retest and can come down, or if it breaks on the upper side, goes up, then you will not have any chance. This will be a W pattern from the bottom. Okay. Something like this. So let's not assume things there. I mean, see, again, as I said, you can take an entry, but you have to maintain those stop losses wherever it is actually taking a reversal, if you want to take. Okay. More of a bear flag. Yeah, more of, yes. Something like this. Where do you see this? No, sorry, here. Something like this. चलो हम इधर देखेंगे 620. अरे कम ऑन मैन, 34,660 तक गया भाई हमारा कॉल. क्या हुआ? 34,400 कॉल 420 बता दिया हमें. Okay, so what was the high? 410 touched, guys. Please start trailing. If someone has taken, start trailing, guys. Trail तो कर लो भाई, please. 410 टच हुआ भाई. I totally remember when it was actually trading around this. I told you ये तो perfect zone बना रहा है बोल के. So easily, इसमें when you see a reversal, कम से कम it has to touch the, this day's high at least. But immediately reverse तो लिया, but that's fine, completely fine. So if someone has taken, please start trailing your profits. It has touched 410, almost nearby. I think we just missed the target by 10 points. या छोटा टारगेट है बट क्या कर सकते हैं भाई, इट्स अ साइडवेज मार्केट में यू डोंट गेट बिग टारगेट्स लाइक 100-200 पॉइंट्स का टारगेट नहीं मिलेगा, क्या करेंगे। प्लीज कम ऑनलाइन मोर ऑफन लॉट्स टू लर्न। आने के लिए सोचता, आई विल ट्राई टू कम, आई डोंट हैव इश्यूज कमिंग इन, बट when there are not many people actually joining the stream, it is like, I'm actually talking to 2-3 people. It doesn't really look good. I could actually trade my own. I'll tell you one thing. See, when I don't come live, my profits increase by 5%. My profits increase by 5%. So, I mean, I can concentrate only on my trade, not anything else. Just the premium group. Yeah, I understand. I also concentrate on my premium group. That's a different factor again. Um, but yes, these two are the things that I would look at. And, but let's see. I will try. I will try coming. Whenever there is a possibility, I will try coming in. I would normally update on Telegram. Again, if someone has not joined our Telegram channel, the link is in the description, guys. You can still join our Telegram channel. Look at this. See, look at this, man. See, Nifty is so sluggish and Bank Nifty is shooting up. And so that is why I don't want to give you heavy profits or huge profits or huge targets. Because इसमें क्या होगा, suddenly taking a one retracement, entire capital is gone. It is actually eating out premiums. So हमको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा इसमें. So that's one of the reasons I don't want you to unnecessarily get stuck. Okay. Okay, again 34,400 at 400 rupees. 400. क्या चल रहा है, हे सुपर टारगेट डन गाइस, टारगेट डन, 420 हिट हुआ, 420 डन, टारगेट डन. ओके, 420 हिट हुआ. ओके, टारगेट डन गाइस. 670, सच a superb one. ओके, सो अब क्या करेंगे. बाइंग साइड 16,200 is still a good resistance, man. Very huge resistance in Nifty. So remember, I am not interested in taking put call options in Nifty. And even in bank nifty abhi mat lena, kuch bhi mat, don't take anything, sorry, don't take anything in nifty as well now. $670. Banks, guys, check your what is this? Kotak Bank. Any entry there? Yep. Look at that, guys. Choo, superb move. Kotak Bank try कर लो भाई. Kotak Bank is still in profit. Oh wow, wow, wow. जाओ my dear, जाओ. Okay, go. ये तो होगा या. Superb 700, 734, 700. Is anyone else holding this call, guys? Anyone else holding this call? कोई होल्ड कर रहा है क्या? चलने दो इसको. But Nifty is sluggish. Somehow it is sluggish, man. क्या करूं इसके साथ? That's so sluggish. Okay, so अभी और एक ट्रेड लेते क्या भाई? बैंक निफ्टी में we shall try another trade. Okay. So next target is going to be 820. थोड़ा long each दिखेगा, but stop loss भी थोड़ा बड़ा दिखेगा भाई. So remember. So stop loss will also be high. I'm telling you. Stop loss भी high दिखेगा आपको. Remember. So you take an entry there. Stop loss will also be high. So those who are interested can take this. Okay. Stop loss is also high. Okay. Remember that. Apart from that, I don't think there is a lesser stop loss that I can think of. This is the only stop loss that I can think of. इधर तक आएगा. Somewhere here, yes. So you take an entry, immediately after crossing this zone. Okay. And your stop loss will be here. Okay. And target हो जाएगा ये वाला 820 on the upper side. Okay. रिस्की ट्रेडर्स अभी भी बाय कर सकते चाहिए तो. रिस्की ट्रेडर्स ओनली. रिस्की ट्रेडर्स के लिए बता रहा हूं. सो इफ यू आर टेकिंग एन एंट्री हियर आपका स्टॉप लॉस यही होगा. सेम स्टॉप लॉस विल बी एप्लीकेबल. ठीक है. इफ समवन इज टेकिंग एन एंट्री अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट अल्ट्राटेक स्विंग के लिए. ओके. सीमेंट सेक्टर्स. ओके. Swing. Why don't you wait? I would say wait. Don't take it now. Let there be a retest here. Wait for the support zone to touch it. Don't take it. See, there are two things that you need to understand in Ultratech cement. One is this. दूसरा वाला ये होगा. So this can come down to touch this trend line here. Okay. Even if it breaks, this can also be another trend line support, can take a resistance or go up and can break down and take a retest and go down. So I would say these are two important levels that you need to wait. 5,670 or 80 zone, and another one is 553 zone. These are two important levels that I want you to wait. So if there is a reversal from these zones, okay, probably you might see a different thing if you look at 1 week time frame, I guess. ये दिखेगा आपको. I think this is what you might be looking at in 1 week time frame. This is where it looks like. Correct. So this is on a higher time frame. थोड़ा head and shoulder pattern दिख रहा मुझे. Okay. I I look at it as a bearish momentum, but I would still wait for the confirmation here. I would want to still wait for the confirmation. Okay, एक काम कर लो भाई, एक काम कर लो. See, ये तो break करने दो at least. Okay, once it breaks, you take an entry, go with this target. Okay, go with this target. Trend line के साथ. That's a better way of doing it. Okay. Because I've seen multiple times it is forming this particular pattern. Look at this on a smaller time frame. Look at this. This is one, but तो breakout नहीं दिया. And उसके बाद you see this, right? Done. Okay, another one. It is trying to make this another head and shoulder pattern here. So multiple times it is trying to repeat the same pattern. Okay. Did any risky traders लिया क्या? कोई लिया क्या ये वाला? थोड़ा risky इशू होगा, but I do not know. ఎవరైనా తీసుకున్నారా అది? తీసుకున్నారా? Nifty is still not a good bet. Nifty, I am not betting on it. Nifty is still not a good one. स्टॉक्स भी देख लेंगे भाई. Hey, you Vishal, yeah. Hold it, guys. Hold it. I'll tell you when to trail your stop losses. I'll tell you. Wait, अभी भी बोलता हूँ मैं. So wait for this 750 के लिए wait कर लो. Then start trailing your profits. Okay. This is going to be a trailing stop loss on the upper side. Okay. Activities नहीं हुआ. Only Vishal seems to be. Vishal 34,500 है क्या? 500 भी चलेगा, but yeah, please keep in mind where you are actually buying and selling it. $33, 34,500. Okay. 329. Risky traders whoever has taken, just maintain the stop loss only. Remember this. Whoever has taken, maintain the stop loss. For others, wait for the zone. Mm, 34 500 is around 333 334 चल रहा. Okay. सर मार्केट डाउन आए ब्रा. अब विशाल भाई क्या बोल रहे? आई डोंट नो सर, क्या करना है? I know I didn't get you. What is that? Ayabraha आप क्या है भाई? I don't know. वो पता नहीं मुझे. कुछ बोल रहे क्या? मार्केट डाउन आया बोल रहे हो और बैंक निफ्टी एम बन रहा है. ओके. एम कहाँ बन रहा है भाई? ये एम बोल रहे क्या? आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस? मुझे तो ट्रायंगल बन रहा है ये वाला. ये वाला मुझे तो. So I wouldn't take that decision. Not an M. M कब बनेगा? See, I'll tell you when M will be, formed. If you are talking about a M pattern shuru idhar, and then if it is an entry here, then idhar banega, right? So once it breaks, then you should see a downward momentum up to this. नहीं, इधर तक नीचे होगा भाई. छोटा टारगेट मिल रहा भाई. छोटा टारगेट ईच मिल रहा है इवन ऑन द डाउन साइड अभी. उसके बाद once it breaks, then you would see second target here, तीसरा target somewhere here. But and very very small targets, very small targets even on the downside. मुझे upside इच थोड़ा दिख रहा. या whatever 5 minute भी चलेगा. पता नहीं, premiums are not increasing man, my goodness. Premiums are not increasing. Somehow they are like gone. Somehow premiums are easily melting. Good morning Prashant, welcome to the stream. Welcome, thanks for joining. चलो अभी एंट्री थोड़ा कम कर देंगे. एंट्री अभी इधर रखेंगे बट ओनली एट द रीटेस्ट. विल टेक इट ओनली एट द रीटेस्ट. okay okay so I was about to answer. Dream winner, see, even if you look at in 5 minute time frame, the same pattern should be looked at, right? Unless you are talking about this, unless if you are talking this is an M pattern, no, this is not an M pattern, no. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Para-papa. Okay. Abhi, once it is taking a retest, now your entry will be here, guys. Yes. A होगा आपका entry zone A होगा, right? Okay. And let's reduce the stop loss to this, yeah, somewhere here. थोड़ा काम करेंगे, चलो. Okay, 39 40 points का stop loss, ठीक है? Now after the entry, 40 points of stop loss, and first target is going to be how many points at least? First target is going to be 70 points. Second target is going to be another 70 points. So totally 140 points almost. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So Bank Nifty is actually on a long build up state, basically. So I expect things to move up. So every 100 points there, we would need to start trailing. So probably after 700, it's supposed to be 750 or 800. So we'll start trailing. No problem. No problem at all. And Nifty, come on, man. Nifty is so sluggish. Very, very sluggish. How is Reliance? Reliance, that's because of Reliance, I guess. I don't know. Is Reliance under pressure? Oh, yeah. This is where you see it. Reliance is under pressure, and you see why the Nifty is sluggish. Okay. We are not bothered. We will trade only in Bank Nifty. Let Nifty be there. Look at Nifty, man. Completely within how many points of zone? I think it is only playing within the zone. Maximum. Somewhere around 20-25 points. Maximum 30 points. 30 points of range in Nifty. Not a good one. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Chalega. So हमारा पहला टारगेट कहाँ होगा? अब बहुत छोटा मिल रहा भाई. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. चलेगा. let's get with this trend line. पहला टारगेट let's keep with this trend line. Okay, उसके बाद let's keep this 750 as the second target, ऊपर वाला and third target. ठीक है, let's remove this. Still waiting. Okay, निफ्टी भी थोड़ा ऊपर ही आ जाए. बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट एटीएम भी देखते क्या भाई आप? पता नहीं भाई, आई डोंट नॉर्मली लुक एट दोज ईएमएस, तो नहीं देखता हूँ सब. इवन दिस 2050 वाला में, आई वाज एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट इट इनिशियली जस्ट फॉर सपोर्ट लेवल चेक करने के लिए, बट आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड फॉर मी. दे आर नॉट राइट ऑल द टाइम. They were only faking all the support and resistance zones. So keep this first target, guys. Only short target, पहला target. But उसके बाद I think we'll have a good target once it breaks on the upside. Okay. Okay. So first target. Okay. First target done. दूसरा target wait कर लो भाई. 750. 750 होगा, right? Okay. How many of you are holding it? How many of you are holding it, guys? बता दो भाई. How many of you are holding it? So whoever is holding, keep your cost to cost as the stop loss. Cost to cost. Keep your stop loss at cost to cost. Okay. Keep your stop loss at cost to cost for those who have taken already. और आप ट्रेल कर सकते चाहिए तो. Okay. it's giving us violent moves, so इसीलिए थोड़ा risky मत लेना. Keep your stop loss at cost to cost. Those who have taken an entry, their trailing stop loss should have hit already. Okay, so remember that this was the cost to cost, so you might have hit that stop loss, but for others they can still wait for the stop loss. तो ना मूव दिया immediately. Wow, what a move it is. Suddenly, अरे come on, क्या हुआ इसको? न्यूज़ चल रहा है क्या? नहीं, निफ्टी तो sluggish है. Okay, 1 minute में देखता हूँ मैं. ये तो 2 मिनट के कैंडल है. Okay, that's weird. ठीक है. नहीं. Okay, so for those guys who are holding, please keep your stop loss here. No problem at all. हम दूसरा ट्रेड लेंगे, but keep your stop loss here. Okay. If this is closing, if this candle is closing below this, we are exiting by all means. मत होल्ड करना. रिस्क तो मत लेंगे भाई. Don't take a risk. अभी 1 मिनट कैंडल में देखता हूँ. So even if 1 minute candle is closing below this, हम exit करेंगे भाई. Please. Exit तो करेंगे हम. Exactly from 700 जोन से रिजेक्शन दिया. ठीक है. एग्जिट कर लो भाई. whoever is holding call option, please exit मत होल्ड करना. दूसरा देखेंगे, बट लेट्स नॉट टेक दैट रिस्क. ठीक है. डोंट टेक दैट रिस्क. रिस्की वालों को प्लीज. अब ज्यादा एसएल मत लेना प्लीज. दैट्स ओके. दूसरा और दोबारा इधर विल टेक एन एंट्री हियर समवेयर हियर अगेन, बट डोंट टेक टू मच ऑफ रिस्क. ओके. ये तो 39-40 पॉइंट्स का है. There was a lot of bullish volume, and moreover the entire bank nifty was being pulled out completely. पता नहीं क्यों इतना गिरावट दिया. I don't see a news, or I don't see banks. देखता हूँ. Reliance तो under pressure है, but HDFC बैंक नीचे गिर रहा है क्या? HDFC बैंक अभी नीचे गिरावट दिया भाई, इसीलिए I think it has fallen. Okay. Bank and if HDFC Bank fell by 0.27%. Okay, so that was a move. Okay. So if or HDFC Bank is giving us a momentum on the upside, आपको मिलेगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. SSA Bank has already hit first target. Okay, SSA Bank is also falling, man. Why all of them are falling? Kotak Bank is strong. Okay, also strong दिख रहा मुझे. And Axis Bank. This is also under pressure, man. So HDFC, ICICI, Axis banks are under pressure. So that's one of the reasons why it is falling here. Okay. So don't hold calls, guys. Don't hold until one of them actually takes a reversal. Probably if HDFC Bank is taking a reversal, then probably kuch milega humko. But until then, I don't see why it should go up. Because Nifty is under a lot of pressure, completely under pressure. Nifty is morning से नीचे गिर रहा था. Looks like a rise on sell. Even yesterday, I guess. Look at this. Even yesterday, suddenly shoots up. Even yesterday, suddenly shoots up and 1-2 candles में नीचे आ जाएगा. Shoots up, comes down. Shoots up, comes down. Such a volatile market completely. If this support is broken, guys, do a scalping trade to this target. Okay, scalping कर लो on the downside here. Okay, wow, that's like गिरावट पे. Scalping only, guys. Scalping only. खाली scalping कर लो. Do a scalping on the downside here.